Intel just did something it hasn't done in years, and Wall Street is reacting. Now, ultimately, for Intel, so we can make some money, there are three main variations. The first one is going to be more of a shallow pullback, definitely within the range of possibility to the upside, and we'll talk a little bit more about the extension of this a little later. But for right now, just know because it's such a shallow pullback, you are looking for an exclusive GNR pattern to get in as low as possible as the market rotates back up, okay? So just be aware that if you are trying to be bullish right now, you do want to play it kind of close to the vest and get in as low as possible. Now, ideally, what will happen actually is that we'll get some sort of pullback maybe into tomorrow's session to right around 47.50. Now, it can't have already have gone up that high, but in general, the idea is for us to come down a lot lower, somewhere right around 46 bucks to line it up with this last pivot that we just got over here in today's session, okay? Now, if in this case scenario, this is again my preferred variation because it gives us a lot more opportunity to make more money on the rotation to go back to the upside. However, because momentum now is a bit more stronger than it is up here, you are going to need a different entry pattern. And that's where the twin variation comes in, where you can look to now buy for the same rotation back up to this prior high, okay? So both goals in this instance will be to go up here at 48 and let's just say 48.20 or in a quarter. There will be paths and profit targets in between there, but just know that that's the main objective, okay? Now, the market can definitely be bearish. I'm not prone to say that it's not going to sell off, but again, it will take more than just a steep pullback now at this point, given how high it's moved up. But if the market does roll over yet again, okay, we're looking for that twin variation and that doesn't happen and it flushes to the downside yet again, then okay, now the momentum has clearly changed and we need to be patient because the next pullback or pop to the upside or dead cat bounce will be an opportunity to sell this thing back to the downside. And in the shorter term perspective, it's more than likely going to look to try to fill this gap right there at the price of around 44 and a quarter. So again, these are the three most important variations you need to be aware of to make some money for tomorrow's session. And we will talk about what happens if we gap up tomorrow in the Discord live stream tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you on the next candle.